I got my hat on, got my boots on, and it's a beautiful day with no wind, so it's time to get some stuff done. Last night I started working on these two beds to get some peas put in, I think, and radishes, some stuff like that. So that's what I'm gonna finish up today. So, what did I put on here? I put some composted cow manure, steer manure.
Yes.
Some garden soil.
Yes.
And I raked it up. You might have seen me kind of like reaching down and breaking up the stuff because the compost I bought, oh, I got a little camera girl back there. Woo! Anyways, the compost I bought was a little moist and compacted, and so it's not breaking up real well yet. I set it out overnight hoping it would dry out some, but it hasn't, so that's what I got in there. So now I gotta lay down some water line, lay down some poly, and our beds will be ready to plant.
Oh.
Good morning, good morning, good morning, sun. How are you? Skies above. Gee, it's great to be alive and love. Good morning, sun.
Whew. It's important, even on the cooler spring days, keep your water. So I laid down some poly, 6 millimeter, one's liquid, right? Anyways, I laid down a 6 poly black stuff because here's the deal, guys. I live out here in this wild country and the wind blows and it's very untamed out here. And we have had epic weeds since we first moved out here 4 years ago. And I've done so many different things to try and deter the weeds to it. So this year I'm trying the black poly around my vegetables to see how that goes. Yeah, it's something I haven't actually ever done before out in the garden. You'll notice I also laid a drip line. I've done soaker hoses in the past and I really like those. I feel like you get the best bang for your buck with soaker hoses or drip lines. You just get water more localized to where it needs to go. It doesn't evaporate as quickly. You don't have all the issues from getting on leaves and things like that. And so I just always like to do it that way. A few other projects out here I might do today. I need to put up some more pallets. So I use these as a wind barrier because we get pretty fierce winds out here. So I need to put up some more pallets. It means pounding in some more posts. And I do have some hog panels that I'm going to use to trellis my cucumbers up, and they're going to go right here. So I need to get that up, and I do plan on putting the fencing up there, and my peas are going in this bed, that bed, and I have some posts and some trellis to put up there. And I just got this idea a few days ago. I kind of want to make a gate for my garden, like a gate right here, to help deter if I ever let the chickens out. I don't really let them out that often, maybe a couple hours in the evening, so they don't get into the garden. And I have kind of a gate looking thing. Let's see if I can show you that. So this is just some salvage stuff from an old chicken coop I had before we even moved here. And I'm thinking I could kind of tear this sucker apart and build a gate. Yeah, so I'm excited. All right, let's go check on the baby chickies. Hello, ladies. Hello, little girls. Okay. Oh yeah, I forgot to bring in the eggs yesterday. But I knew that the mama hens needed some water. I can get those open. Ooh. Okay. Hello, beautiful girl. Be back with some fresh water. Ooh, it's hot. There you go. Love it. Baby, you letting me get today? Mm-hmm. Nice fresh cold water. Oh yeah, a little thirsty. Warm this morning. Yes, it is. Mm-hmm. What are you doing? Go get yourself a drink. Go get it. No, you're just gonna be polite and wait your turn. There's plenty of room for you over there. Oh, ladies, why don't you invite her over? Say, come on, get a drink, girl. All right. Are you soaking wet?
Yeah, she's soaking